Crown, that's a jam.
Welcome to Hershey Park. For more than 115 years, Hershey Park has been
What's up, guys? We're in the park, but this is a new park for us, Hershey Park. Two of us is in right now. They say they gotta go get the other ticket, so I'm just gonna sit here and make a little, show y'all what the park look like while we in here. It's pretty nice in here. So I want to go to this fountain real quick. This is Candemonium. As soon as we walk in, I've been watching so many videos on it. Candemonium right here. Look like it's already a line. We're probably gonna try to go to the back first, but I want to show y'all this fountain. This thing nice. I had to change my attire. It is freezing. It's opening day. I don't know how long Sadie gonna be, but looks beautiful out here. I'm about to take a picture with the Hershey man right there. We're here for day 2. We just walked in, but it's not 11 o'clock yet. We have to wait. Like, we got in the gate, but you can't walk into the rest of the park. They're trying to distract us, but we going to Wildcat Revenge because they about to open.
It's Hershey Park. Give them a big round of applause.
I ain't paying attention. I'm trying to go this way. I can't breathe, but I made it. Sadie and the kids, they back there. They way back there. But I got us a spot. Wildcat Revenge. don't think I've really recorded and talked about this park as much as I wanted to, but this Hershey Park is very enjoyable. And I'm listening, I got music playing right here. Say they just got Dunkin' Donuts.
What's that?
We roll Sky Rush back here.
They got
Dunkin' Donuts. We just got them riding Super Loop, Duper Looper, Sky Rush back here. Comment we was gonna get in line, but it was raining, so we stopped going there because Sky Rush is just, I think it only took like 20 minutes to get on. We ran and rode in the front. But we done rode damn near everything we wanted to. I think all we got left is Comet, Candemonium, and then I think Lightning Racer, but Wildcat, we got 2 rides on that boy. This park is nice. I'm gonna talk about it more a little bit, but we done rode everything, man. Look, I'm about to show, I haven't even showed what the park really looked like that much. There's too much going on, but I'm gonna show y'all. We were literally about to get on this. Sat down, now you can see the ground. They can't run this ride with rain, when it's raining, so. This was like one of the last main big rides we was gonna ride. We're in the Hershey Park collection store. This store looked like a Gucci store. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
$40 for a wine glass.
No, we don't want that. They got a lot of nice stuff, but it's name brand. They got Oakley and all that stuff. I don't wear Oakley. Oh, they're nice. Look at this.
Here's like that one I have from here.
Oh, sweet. It looks like most of this are like 60 to.
It's all name brand. Look at the nice ones like that.
Oh, nice. Everybody leaving because it's raining. He's nice. $180 ain't.
That brand's always expensive though.
Hey, this hat's sweet though. Look at this hat. Look at my style. Everybody packed up in the store because it's raining out.
Can't buy that.
Yeah, we ain't ride that. Where the Wildcat at? It's the Wildcat Revenge stuff. This is what I want. It's crazy up in here. Where said he go? He's gonna find it. Look at that wall over there. I just got stunned. I was talking about that wall that's melting over there. With the chocolate melting. Look at how that chocolate melting down there. It looks like Willy Wonka back here. What's upstairs?
That restaurant.
Oh. What is that? That's for storm running?
Ride, scream, repeat. That's a roller coaster. Enjoy the ride. That's good.
We're getting our merch. It's kind of hectic in here. I think we're going to go upstairs and eat, but we got to look at the menu first. It's pretty packed.
Why they trying to set a vibe for us with the song?
It's over. It's over. King's Dominion next.